What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back for day 26 of the grade. Today we're talking about how to grade on a budget monitor. And I would lift up my setup right now, but I got stuff connected to it, so we ain't gonna do that. I already know that most people don't have like the highest tech equipment, best monitor, this, that, all that jazz. It's about making what you have work. Right now I'm gonna show you. We're gonna focus on this color management side. Alright, and so this is for Mac, but for PC, the only thing that would be different is Rec 709. You just wanna have the regular Rec 709 scene or 2.4. But for Mac, some reason, if you have it on Rec 709 without the -A, when you export your clip, colors that you have in your color grade on DaVinci will be very different from what you see once you export your footage. Having these settings here will allow you to use anything for your monitor that will still give you a good quality and give you the best output for your image. Now that you got these settings right, you want to make sure you're looking at the scopes and reading your scopes. That will tell you all the information you need that's going on in your image. For your scopes, you want to make sure and you have the right settings. So I've been working with a lot of 10-bit footage, so I keep mine on 10-bit. And vector scopes, these are my settings here. And I keep my quality on high and all that stuff. That is your scopes, and so you want to make sure you're reading your scopes, you have your monitor set up with the right settings. That will guarantee you the best results when you're color grading your footage and then you finally export that footage for it to match the color grade that you had in DaVinci Resolve. That's it for day 27 of the grade. Tune in for day 28 where we talk about how to build that consistent look across all your projects. Deuces.